Customer reviews are super important for carpet cleaning companies today. It's a fact that 92% of consumers look for online reviews about you before they buy. A new carpet cleaning prospect will always have that question in their mind, if they can trust you and the quality of your work. But using a customer review commercial to promote your 5-star reputation can get them to call you instead of the competition. Here's what one of our clients had to say about their experience with us.
ProWeb created a custom customer review video for our company. The quality of the video is outstanding and exceeded my expectations. I would highly recommend any company owner to take advantage of this customer review video program to promote your 5-star reputation.
So just imagine having your 5-star Google reviews turned into a 60-second commercial like this. This can position your company as the market leader in your area and get your phone to ring. If you would like a custom review video like this, take advantage of our limited time free offer. We will create a review video using one of your 5-star Google reviews for free. This is a $495 value. We will cover all the production costs. All I ask in return is that you give us a Google review and your feedback just like you saw in this commercial. If you're interested, call us or click the link on this page. Bye for now.